Hello friend, welcome back. This is a quick tutorial about the TestCase Studio. What is TestCase Studio? TestCase Studio is the next gen recorder plugin, free recorder plugin, which can be used to record the steps to reproduce the bug, manual test cases, or you can say steps or the documentation of the test cases, what kind of testing, what testing you have done for the web application. It can also be used to get the automatically generate the screenshot with the highlighted area, screen recording, XPath and CSS selector just in single one click. This is an absolutely free recorder plugin offered by SelectorsHub. How you can install it? Just go to selectorshub.com. Here on the home page you will find the TestCase Studio. If you click on here on TestCase Studio, this will open the TestCase Studio home page. Here you will find the simple 3 steps to get started with this. Also download link for all the browsers, it is available right now. So for an example, we want to get started with Chrome. Click on install Chrome. Here it will open the TestCase Studio. In the Chrome store you can see that more than 40,000 testers right now using it. It is featured offered officially by the Chrome store, and as well as this is a absolutely 5-star rated browser recorder plugin. More details you can find it here. Just scroll down here, you can see the version number, review, what users are saying, everything. I'm preparing this video with the latest version 1.7.4 on which was last updated on 25th of February, which is today. And you can click here add to Chrome. To install it on your Chrome browser, click on add extension. Once it is added in your Chrome browser, you can see that the logo is not visible here. So to see the logo of TestCase Studio in the toolbar, you click on this default extension logo, then pin, and now you can see the logo here. Also it will open this testing daily extension page. We also recommend that you install it. It will help you to get all the latest testing related updates and everything whenever you will open new tab like this. This is also available as a mobile app, so we highly recommend you install this as well. You can see that 9,000 plus testers already using it. Details you can find it here on the selectorshub.com homepage. Anyways, coming back to the TestCase Studio. So once you install it, you are all set. To get started with this, you just have to click on the logo before you start your testing. So for an example, you are going to test any application, any web application. So this works only for the web application, and for the like desktop application or any kind of other application, you can use this. It's a screen recording feature which will help you to get the screen recording, but steps and screenshot can be recorded only for the web application. So now you okay, again I will show you. So we have opened the web application here which we want to test. Before we start our testing, just click on the logo. That's all you have to do. And now see the magic. Whatever we will be doing, like let's say we search for any particular product here, click on this. Any steps you will be following here, that will be getting recorded. Like we click on buy with exchange or whatever it is. So you see that each and every steps has been recorded here. A screenshot has been recorded for each and every step whatever we clicked, and you can see that screen area is also highlighted here, steps name also here. And now once you are done, like let's say you found a bug at particular step, so you can simply copy these steps, paste it to your developer that these are the steps you need to follow to reproduce the bug, so he can follow and just reproduce the bug. Also you can download this complete test case. Suppose you want to download this as a proof of testing, so you can simply download this, and you can see that Excel and screenshot both will get downloaded, and whenever you want to refer, you can refer them. Here also a screenshot, XPath and CSS selector data is also recorded. Also, like whenever we used to file a bug, or whenever we share the report with our developer or manager, they always ask us like on which OS you were doing the testing, what was the version, what was the browser version, resolution and timestamp. Everything automatically captured here, so you need not to go back and check for all these details, or manually you need not to write them. So this way you get all these details automatically just in one click before you start your testing. Now let's talk about more features. So this also has the screen recording. So suppose you want to record the screen, just click here and select whichever tab you want, or window or entire screen you can select. Click on share. So once you did this, now whatever we will be doing, everything will be recording here as a screen recording. You can pause and stop recording here. You can watch this recording. If you want, you can download as well. Of course you want to download, you can download and share it with your developer. Also here you have the execute steps if you want to execute these steps. So this feature we have exclusively in integration with TestRigger. So if you click on this, these steps will get executed with TestRigger. So that also you can do it through this, and whenever you want to re-execute on the test trigger, you just go to test trigger and then again you can re-execute with the help of that. That is also amazing tool, you can try that. Here we have a lot more features, so that we will explain here. Like we will compare with this with the TestCase Studio Pro. So here you can see that you can do this all these things for free, and this is the free version which we are talking about. So record every action and write in English language, and now you can record in any other language as well. Then capture a screenshot for each step, record test cases in any language. So how you can record test cases in any other language? So suppose right now here it is recording in English, but you want to record in any other language. Like for an example, you are testing a website which is in any like local language or any different language. For an example, this I will change it to like this language. This is a Hindi language, this website now, and we want to test this. Okay, so we don't want to record like half sentence in English, half in Hindi. In place of this, we want to record everything in Hindi language, that particular language. So what you need to do, go here, click on setting, and here you see that here it has the click on this particular, like you can change the keyword and language. So suppose in place of click on this, so what I will do, I just copy this particular part. I have created a separate tutorial as well, English to that particular translation. You paste it here and copy this. I have created a separate tutorial for this, like how you can do this, change the language. So you simply keep copying this, paste it here and just replace. So this you replace for all of these, and now come back, delete all these steps and now you will see that whatever steps we will be following here or performing any action, that is going to record in that particular language here. So you see that this we haven't changed yet, so it is coming in right click. But if we change this sentence as well, like right click this also will come in that particular language. So this is how you can record in any language. Pro version has the advanced feature, you will not do it manually, you just in one click you will be able to do translation of language as well. Then screen recording feature is there, so you can record the screen as well. So like we have already seen that how you can do the screen recording. There's a 5-minute limit on the screen recording. In Pro version you can record unlimited. Record test cases in BDD format, also you have the support for BDD. So let me just go back to the default language. Here you can just click on change to BDD, and now your test cases will be recorded in BDD kind of format. So if any steps will be performed here on any website, like let's say here, so you will see that the sentences will be recorded in BDD kind of format. And here once you are done, you can like click on plus button here to add the last step as well, or if any step you want to add it, you can add it as well. Also if you want to change anything in the terms here, that also you can change. Whenever you want to go back to the default format, you can click here, and if anything, like because it is recording, click on, let's say you want to change it to click add, so that also you can optimize like as per your requirement. Customize option of to set the recording terms. So yes, that's what I was talking, like let's say in place of open website, you used to call it like open URL. So now if you go back here, delete all these steps. So steps now when you will be performing, they will be recording in your language, like whatever you have set, like open URL, click add. So this you can terminology you can change for all the sentences here. Just make sure that whatever is inside double quote and curly braces, that you don't change, only the outside these keywords you can change as per your requirement. And whatever you will change, that will be saved in your local, so next time you will not have to change it again. Generate XPath and CSS selector for each step. It used to generate XPath and CSS selector. So if you are going to write the automation script, or you want to automate these steps, then you can directly use them. You need not to go back to again the browser and recreate the XPath and CSS selector for them. It also supports the iframe, nested iframe, record the input data with corresponding steps. So you can see that whatever you will be like anything you will be searching here, or whatever data you will be entering here, that also it will record here like this way. So you have the data as well. iframe, it supports feature. You can also add the steps. If you want to add any step in between, you can add. If any step got recorded by mistake, you can delete that. Option to pause the screenshot recording. You can pause the screenshot recording as well if you don't want to keep recording the screenshot. Then option to add expected result, you can add the expected result as well here, like if any expected result for any step you have, that you can add here. Any, like all the columns are customizable, so you can customize before you download the test case, so that you can do. Attribute filter to generate XPath and CSS selector. So suppose these XPath are getting generated with class attribute, but if you don't want, then you can change this, like you can just uncheck this. So this also is available feature. Now it will not generate the XPath and CSS selector with class attribute, it will try with some other attribute, so that you can do. This is similar like SelectorsHub. Feature to generate selectors with driver command. If you want these XPath and selector with driver command, you see that set driver command feature is here, so you can turn it on. Feature to copy only steps, only data, so this feature is there, like if you just want to copy steps or data or XPath or CSS selector, that you can do just in one click. Feature to pause recording, this is here, like if you want to pause the recording, you can click on this button and now recording is paused. Whatever you will be doing, that it will not record. Whenever you want to again resume, you just click on it. Option to delete all the recorded data, so if you want to delete all the recorded data, you can just click and this will be deleted. Feature to customize the UI, you can customize, like if any column or something you want to optimize, that you can do. Like let me just click. So let's say these steps are there, like XPath, CSS selector, any step you column you want to hide, that you can hide from here. So let's say you don't want expect result, you don't want CSS selector column, that you can hide from the here, and then you record and download all these steps. So this is how you can make the best use of TestCase Studio. Here you can also set the name before you download the test case. If you want to like get more advanced feature, like you want to edit these header names, you want to add more columns, everything you can do with the help of TestCase Studio Pro. Here we have a lot of feature under customize, like you can add a step, you can delete a step, you can arrange the column orders, you can upload your test case directly in TestRail. Here you need not to change the language manually, you can just click on any language and that all the sentences get translated automatically. You have more options to control whatever steps you want to record, and you can record multiple test case, you can resume recording at any point of time. Also you can get the network logs. You can also in the screenshot, like whatever screenshot you will be recording here, that all things has a lot many features. You also get the timestamp in the screenshot, you can select any particular screenshot which you want to download. Also there are like here you can add new step before, after, so lot many things are there in the pro version. So if you want to explore that, you can explore that the pro version as well. Otherwise, if you want to continue with the free, you can use it. I hope you like this video. Please do add a small review about TestCase Studio here in the Chrome store, and do let us know about your experience and the feedback about this amazing tool. Thank you so much. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out these awesome informative videos and keep watching more videos on SelectorsHub channel. Thank you.